Hello students. Now welcome to the Rashmi Singh's class. Now the today's topic is globe, latitudes and longitude. This is the second part. In the first part we have covered the latitudes and the heat zones. And in this session we are going to complete longitudes, locating places on the globe. Clear children? Now come to the topic longitudes. What are longitudes? The longitudes are the imaginary line which moves north to south on the globe. Clear? Like this. This is North Pole, this is South Pole, this is prime meridian, and the line which move or will run from north to south, these lines are known as longitudes. The lines which run from north to south is known as longitudes. So what are longitudes? Longitudes are the angular distance of a place north or south to the prime meridian. This is known as longitudes. Clear? And this is the prime meridian. Prime meridian, and it is measured by 0 degree. And this prime meridian passes through the Greenwich near the Royal British Observatory in London. Clear? This is considered as the prime meridian. Now look at the board. All meridians move from north to south direction. In this direction, they are all meridians are of same size, and they runs in the semicircles. Latitudes moves in circular motion, but these lines moves in semicircle, and size of all these meridians are same. So it was a tough task in front of geographers. Which meridian is considered as a 0 degree, or you can say the prime meridian? And ultimately geographers choose the meridian which passes through the Greenwich as a prime meridian. Clear to everyone? Okay. And this prime meridian divide the earth into western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. And western hemisphere has 180 degree longitude, and eastern hemisphere again has 180 degree latitude. So altogether we have 360 degree latitudes on the globe. Clear? And this is equator. The distance between the two latitudes are maximum at the equator. जैसा हमें पिक्चर में शो हो रहा है. This is the maximum distance among the two longitudes. This is (111 kilometer). The distance between the two longitudes and the equator is 111 kilometer. As we move towards the poles, means South Pole or North Pole, the distance between the longitudes decreases. Clear? Okay. Now one thing very important, if we are going to locate the place on the globe, two things are required: latitudes and longitudes. Clear? This is latitudes, equator, and these are longitudes. Means this is a network of latitudes and longitudes, and this network is known as grid system. And this grid system is very important to locate the place on the globe. Without any latitudes or longitude, we cannot locate the place on the globe. So I'll tell you how we locate the places on the globe. Take one example, New Delhi. Okay? New Delhi, latitudes and longitudes is given. Now we have to locate the place of New Delhi. Now look at the board. This is 0 degree longitude and this is 0 degree latitude. Clear? Now this is 15 degree. This is 30 degree. These all horizontal lines are known as latitudes. 30, 45 and 60 degree. Latitude is 28.38 northern. Okay, now again we'll take the 15 degree longitude and 30 degree longitude, 45 degree longitude, 60 degree longitude, 75 degree longitude and 90 degree longitudes. So this is the grid system on the globe, and the latitude and longitude. This latitude and longitude is given. According to this latitude and longitude, we have to locate the place on this globe. Now, latitude means these lines are known as latitudes. लेटी हुई लाइनें हैं. Then 28.38. 28 means approximately somewhere here. Clear? 28.38 northern and longitude is 77.12. 77. This is the 75, 76, 77. This line. Clear? So this is the point where the latitude and longitude cut each other. So this is the actual position of the New Delhi. Clear, children? With the help of latitudes and longitudes, we can locate the place. It's very easy. Now I'll give one more example to you. Suppose this is a place A. You have to locate the place of this area. Can you tell me the latitude and longitude of this place? The latitude is 60 and 75 degree. Okay? The latitude is 75 degree north and longitude is 45 degree east. Yes. So this is the location of place A. Clear to everyone? So in this way we can locate the places on the globe. The two things are required for locating the things, that is latitudes and longitudes. That's why this grid system means the network of latitudes and longitudes, that is so important to locating any place on the globe. I think it's clear to everyone. Now in this session, we'll do only these two things. We have done only the two things, longitude and locating places on the globe. In the next session, we'll complete how we can calculate the time, what is standard meridian of India and the time zones. ये मुझे लग रहा है बेटा आपको समझ में आ गया है, और अगर समझ में नहीं आया है तो आप मुझे कमेंट करके बताएंगे. Then I'll explain all these things in the next session of the same topic. अगर आपको समझ में आ गया, easy लग रहा है, then you can like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon should be pressed, otherwise you won't get the next notification. Clear, children? Now, thank you.